In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called counting significant digits. First thing that I want to say, significant digits and significant figures or sig figs, they are the exact same thing. Those terms are used interchangeably. When we're counting the significant digits in a measurement, what we want to do is read the measurement, read the numbers from left to right, like that. And as we move from left to right, we want to identify the first number that's not a zero. So again, as we're reading from left to right, the first number that we come to that's not a zero, that number, in this case the 4, which I've underlined, is a significant digit, and every single number after it is also a significant digit. So this particular number has 4 significant digits. This rule does not change when you're working with something that's in exponential notation or scientific notation, which is what we have here. We are only focusing on this portion of the number. The times 10 to the minus 3 is just expressing the magnitude of the number. So we're going to ignore that part and just focus on the 3.0. Reading the number from left to right, we want to identify the first digit that's not a zero and every digit after that. So this has also 2 significant digits. Here's another one also with scientific notation, which means we're going to ignore the 2 times 10 to the 2 portion, and we're just going to focus on this, the first digit that's not a zero and every digit after that. 2 significant digits, and here's our last number, the first digit that's not a zero and every number after that. So this one has 5. Now I do want to say there are 2 different sets of rules for counting or identifying significant digits. The set of rules that I just used is what applies whenever the number has a visible decimal point, which all of these do, and all of these ALEKS problems will. If you have a number that does not have a visible decimal point, for example, if we just had 64,500 kilograms and that decimal point was not being shown, then we would use a different set of rules for counting significant digits. But again, that's not going to apply to any of these ALEKS problems, so we won't need to worry about it.